This video is in response to some of the things I've been seeing online about school shooting. As a teacher for 30 years, I saw that there's many holes inside the school system. So, we can blame the automatic rifles, we can blame all those things, which usually the parents buy and the kids steal. But as an educator, I'm not worried. Okay, it comes down to trying to save kids' lives. Number one, we don't have metal detection. Why don't we have metal detection on each door that actually sounds alarms? Oh, that might prevent vape pens and knives and other things that I've seen. And I've been a witness that they have had guns on campus. That I 100% know this. Number two, all right, why don't we have those door jams? I asked I sent a policy in for like a $12 device that you actually shove under your door if we're under a lock and key. And then it doesn't matter if it's locked or not, they're not going to be able to get in. Or if they start shooting from the outside to try to get in, we had two exits in our doors. We could actually have a plan to get out the other side. But we don't think this clearly. Most of these things happen like at lunch, or the people come in and they obviously know the schedule because they're usually other students that do this. So you have to make it much, much harder on these students or these psychopaths to actually come in and use these weapons. All right, common sense, people. I think my first observation is, how much do we spend per student? About $24,000 this year. So, with 6 classes they're going to, and let's just say around 24, divide that by 6, they're getting about per class. And what? We can't afford, I don't know, $39? I actually saw one for much, much less that was actually fairly effective. All classrooms, they open from the outside. You have to lock it. So many teachers, like in between their prep periods or whatever, I mean, in between each period, they have to go unlock the door, let the students in, and then relock the door. There's no way to lock the door from inside or in an emergency. Okay, so can we pretend that our children are worth, I don't know, $50 per classroom to do that? We already spend way too much money on education. Tell me what you think.